Hello from the ant people to the earthlings.
I think these images speak for themselves. Look at these. They're insect-like.
The ant people were back. Ha 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 ha. You think we left you
They're writing
alone?
on the wall. I know. You're going to come up with some shit. But
You earthlings are some
those
funny
who
shit, you
observe
know.
ants,
Ha 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 ha.
there it
We
is.
fooled you, fools.
And those who ignore them. Ignorance is bliss, right?
Crack a little doo. It's the ant people. Ha 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 ha.
Exactly.
We fooled you again. Look over your shoulder.
Yeah.
Ha ha ha. The eclipse is here. You fools. It's the ant people. The rent's due.
What's that? Oh my dog. That's my dog.
We're sending aardvarks to collect the rent. Guess who?